Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel after watching this. In today's video, I will do the review and my thoughts about this Hermes Birkin. This Birkin is in size 30 with palladium hardware. It is FAUVE Barenia Faubourg. It has beautiful white stitches. I love the contrast stitching. The bottom has 4 feet with 2 leather strips. Let's take a look at this back in details. I don't usually close this back completely like this. I just want to show you how it looks when it's closed. Later on, I will show you the back with its original look without the twillies and the rodeo charm. I love to wear the handles with the twillies, different colors, and this looks so great. Now let me open the bag so you can see the inside. Twist the lock and open. It has one big compartment with one slip pocket and one zipper pocket on this side. Hermes didn't do color for this hot stem right here for this type of leather. This Birkin size 30 is perfect for my body frame. It's not too big or too small. It holds just enough what I need. I would recommend size 30 for anyone. It's good for work or even for travel.
For me, I just don't take this Birkin everywhere I go, especially when I travel with kids. I usually take this bag out when I go out with my husband or with my friends. I don't buy this bag just for display, but I want to make sure to use it with care. I want to keep it as new as I can.
This gold color is so classic, especially this type leather. It's FAUVE Barenia Faubourg, just like its sister Barenia. Barenia is the older generation. It's very smooth and Hermes uses to make horse saddle. This Barenia Faubourg is newer type leather.
This Barenia Faubourg was processed in the same traditional way like Barenia leather.
It has grain like Togo but smaller. It's more scratch resistant than its sister Barenia. Even if it gets scratches on, I still okay with it because it marks some memories when the bag is aging. This bag will get patina like Barenia. I got this bag in 2018, so I can't really tell the shape changes because I always keep the organizer inside the bag to keep it structured and keep it clean. This shape is retorn, so you can see the shape is more slouchy. It's not as structured like a Cellier. And the stitches is inward, so you don't see the stitches around the bag, just on top of the bag and on the handles. You will see when I take the twillies off. And one special thing about this bag is you can smell it. Whenever I get close to it, it gets my attention right away. It has very intoxicated scent, just like Barenia. Very unique. It's not as popular as Togo or Epsom or Clemence, but it's very unique with this scent and patina it will get. I think I will always keep this bag in my collection. One of the classic bag, very rare, from Hermes. This bag doesn't have strap. It's more like a tote bag with handles. So I usually wear it on the crook of my arm. It's perfect when I don't overstuff it, because it do get heavy if you put a lot of things in here. Although the compartment can hold a lot of things, but I don't recommend you to overstuff it. To maintain the structure, I recommend you to have the back pillow or the organizers in here to keep it structured. That's how I store my bag on the shelf. Keep the organizer inside the bag and leave the bag open.
Because this type of leather, Barenia Faubourg, will get patina over time, I really recommend using twillies for the handles to avoid the oil and the sweat get on the handle. That will make the handles get darker much faster.
Let me tell you how I got this bag. In 2018, I stopped by my store and was planning to get a pair of shoes or a belt or twilly, because I love twillies. When I walked in the store, saw two ladies with the two bags, and my SA was showing them the bags. The same exactly bags with two different sizes, 30 and 35. I was so surprised when I could see two bags at the store. The SA came over and told me to wait for him a little bit. I told him that whatever bag they don't take, I'm gonna take it. So 5 minutes later, he came back with the two bags. I don't know what happened, but the ladies left without taking any. That is how I could get the bag. He showed me both of the bags. After a while, I decided to go with this one. And here it is. How pretty, right? The gold color got me right away. But I think any color from Hermes could be a gorgeous bag. That's how I could score this bag at Hermes store. And because I was browsing the shoes, so I also got this pair of shoes. I think this pair of shoes is perfect for this Birkin with the palladium hardware and the silver stud. I think it's perfect together. Now let me show you the Birkin bag without the twillies and the charms. This is how it originally looks. It comes with a crochet, but most of the time I keep it in the dust bag and leave it at home. I put on here sometime. This bag is a very good investment because it can hold its value. If you could buy it from Hermes store, you can make some money reselling it, which I don't plan to. This Birkin definitely stay in my collection. This Barenia Faubourg leather will age and patina, so it will get darker over time. I can't wait to see how it changes when it's aging. Since I just got this bag almost 2 years, I can't really tell the difference. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a fabulous day, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye now.